This is a look at the under storage, which has got, firstly on the left, 3 sidings feeding through their points into a short Y up there, and from the short Y going to the left you have the route out to the rest of the layout through another point, acting as a crossover there. And then these tracks to the right go round onto another board and form 3 plain sidings for storage, although the top of those tracks, which comes directly from the Y, is really a free track to allow feeding of the trains in and out. So it's the last one to be filled up and the first one to be emptied. So in this video we're going to see the short goods move from the rest of the layout into the storage area, and the idea is that we go to the free track and then come back, and I'm going to go into the nearest siding to us on the storage area on the left. I should mention that the cattle wagon at the end has got a live axle on it. In other words, there's a resistor on the axle to give a bit of current flow to show up on the block diagram. So this is the main screen of the Z21 control, and you can see the Roco controllers on the left. On the right is the track diagram, and within that the routes are marked in green when a route is set up, and you can see also a red line in the middle of that green, which is a block section occupied by the Roco and train where it is right now. And you can follow, we're going to follow that as it moves in. So it's moved into the Y section and then onto the next section from the Y. And then it crosses over the track brake onto the next board, and as it goes towards the end we slow it down, and it's just hit the end section, so the Roco is there now. Now I'm going to select the route that I want, and the train begins to move. It's coming towards the Y section. It's on the Y now. Moving on to the next point, and the next one, then to the section of the siding. Slow it down and just a little bit slower, and it comes to the last section there, and there is the train back in the siding there.